In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from starting automatically if your PC feels a bit sluggish right after you sign in, or you simply want more control over when cloud syncing runs. This quick adjustment will help. We're going to use a built-in Windows tool to stop OneDrive from launching on its own without uninstalling anything or affecting your files. First, open the Task Manager using the fastest route. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys at the same time. This brings up Task Manager immediately, which is where Windows keeps track of running apps, background processes, and, importantly for us, programs that are allowed to launch at startup. You don't need to change any system settings outside of this window, and nothing here will delete your data. Once Task Manager is open, switch to the Startup Apps tab. You'll find it along the left side, and it looks like a small tachometer or list icon. This view shows every app that's registered to start automatically when you sign in. It also indicates their current status and, in many cases, the impact they can have on boot time. This is the perfect place to manage what starts with Windows so you can streamline performance. Now, look through the list to find OneDrive. It may appear as OneDrive or Microsoft OneDrive, depending on your system, and it's typically listed alphabetically. Take a moment to be sure you've selected the correct entry so you disable exactly what you intend. When you've located OneDrive, right-click it and choose Disable. As soon as you do, you should see the status column update to disabled, confirming the change. That's all it takes. From now on, OneDrive will not open automatically when you start Windows or sign into your account. This change is safe and reversible, and it does not remove OneDrive from your computer. A quick note on what this means for your daily use. Disabling here only stops automatic launch. You can still open OneDrive manually anytime you need it, and all your files and syncing preferences remain intact. The adjustment typically takes effect the next time you sign in, so you'll notice the difference on your next startup. To recap, you open Task Manager with a simple keyboard shortcut, moved to the Startup Apps tab, found OneDrive, and chose Disable. That small change helps reduce background activity at boot and can make your system feel snappier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more controlled startup experience.